So over here, you can see that I am in book module right now, and you can see that I have a plain white background right now. So what you can also do is you can go ahead and add in different backgrounds as you need over here. So to do that, you can go ahead and expand the background module right here. You can drop a photo right here just like this, or you can go ahead and then click on this to choose a photo, or you can go ahead and choose from presets of shapes that you have right here. Like for example, there's wedding shapes right here, there's travel shapes as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and add in this one. Let's say for example, and you can see the matte background right there. You can go ahead and change around the opacity of the background as well, just like that. And then go ahead and change around the color of the graphics as well. Just like this, you can go ahead and change around the graphics, choose the color that you want right here, just like this. And that is the graphics that you have right here, just like this, as you can see right there. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and choose a background color. So you can go ahead and enable it as you want, and then you can go ahead and change the color as you like right here, and then you can see the background right there. Let me just go ahead and choose a lighter color right here, like a cream color, just like this. And that is the background that you have. And if I were to go around over here onto the main view, you can see that in all of the pages, the background has been applied, making it a beautiful outlook, as you can see this like that. And that is how you can work around with the book background settings inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.